For our next bout, please welcome to the red corner, Roy Nightingale. Please welcome to the blue corner, Godfrey.
4 2-minute rounds, this main event. This is for the title. This should be a very good fight. And a rise in the quality of what we've been seeing. Not that we've seen any bad fights here tonight, not by any stretch of the imagination. Already you can see they're both a little bit reluctant, picking their time, picking their moment when they come in. And I've seen Godfrey on a couple of other shows, and he is one of those guys, you cannot judge a book by its cover. Roy Nightingale, he's had about 6 fights, 4 wins by KO, 1 by TKO, but 3 were KO. He's a very big puncher. He picks his time, and when he throws, he throws big shots. Godfrey, very slick, very skillful, the way he goes forward and the way he fights. Not a lot going on at the moment. Both respecting each other's power quite a lot, as you'd expect from guys this weight, and they fought twice before, remember, so they both got the measure of each other already. Godfrey tries to come in a little closer. No success. And Nightingale got a bit of a reputation as a war merchant. Godfrey loops one over the top and lands it. Four 2-minute rounds, remember, this one. So perhaps started a little slower than the others so far, because they know they're doing 2-minute rounds and they know they're doing 4 of them. 4 possible rounds, should I say. I'll be gutted and astonished if this makes points. I don't want to see anybody get hurt, of course, but I do love a good knockout. Both negating each other at the moment. Quite a compelling fight still, though. In comes Godfrey with a flurry of body shots. Nightingale, I would say, needs to pick it up a little. Respecting Godfrey a little. Godfrey keeps shaking his head, trying to point out that he's not being effective. Roy landing some shots on the counter normally so far. ICB gym, quite a lot of success here tonight. About half and half, I think. Now I think you'll see a different fighter come rounds 3 and 4 from Nightingale. I think Nightingale's biding his time a little. That's the impression I get. Oh, good shot from Godfrey. Follows it up with a flurry of body shots. And that's the end of round 2. Possible 4. And here comes Roy Nightingale. Like I said, I thought we'd see a little change in the way Roy's going to fight as he comes out for the third. I don't know why I thought that. I just thought he seemed to be biding his time a little bit, maybe waiting for Godfrey to blow out, because he does throw volume. Godfrey does throw volume of shots. A lot of them body, being the shorter fighter. You get the impression that they're both waiting for the right moment, and it's not quite coming yet. Godfrey the busier of the two fighters so far. Roy comes forward with a right hand attempt, quite land it flush. Godfrey looking a bit busy. Godfrey ducking in a lot. He's got the less reach advantage. He's got to get inside Nightingale and able to land the shots. He's doing that quite well so far. I think Roy needs to get a lot more busier. Nightingale needs to get a lot busier. Here we go. Those are 1-2. Not landing flush. Godfrey, a tricky customer. Comes in winning body shots again. Tries for a big left hand. And that's the end of round 3. start round 4, fourth and final round. The fighters embrace in a show of respect. And I think both fighters will try and stop this. So you could be in for an exciting round here. Couple of shots from Godfrey, one to the body and then follows the other one to the head. Nightingale. Bit busier again. Godfrey doesn't hesitate coming in. He comes in low with big body shots and then tries to come upstairs. Roy is throwing those shots from the outside. I think both fighters, their point of view should be they've got to stop each other in this last round. Big shots there from Godfrey to the body. Godfrey moving a bit better. He's inside, throwing that dirty boxing. Nightingale tries to get the space and throw a couple of shots. He does so again. Has a bit more success this time. And as Godfrey comes in and pushes him down, ties him up. Stop that onslaught of body shots that Godfrey's been throwing the whole fight. Nightingale with a couple more good shots now. I think you're going to see a points decision here. I'm not sure what way that's going to go.
And at the end of those 4 completed rounds, your ringside judges have reached a split decision in favour of your winner. In the red corner, Roy Nightingale. And show your appreciation for our runner-up, Jack Godfrey. And ladies and gentlemen, we'll now have a short 15-minute break, and we will rejoin the action in 15 minutes' time.